Can we just get this? All right. I got this. You're going 5 times the charm.
We are with Williamson County Schools at Centennial High School with the College Career and Technical Tech Camp.
Yes, you got it. That's 98.
I love the drones. I love flying drones.
So, take off. No.
And we're introducing students to the unmanned aerial systems, which are the fancy name for drones.
Okay, you have to go over there now.
We learn how to fly and take care of drones.
So you'll start on the simulator.
Well, the drone simulator, it kind of simulates the experience that you would have looking through a drone's eyes.
Geez, all right.
You feel like you're flying.
We're building a tunnel for the drones for the obstacle course.
I'm a little bit scared maybe because I don't want it to like crash into something and break.
You just feel sort of like, if I crash this is bad kind of a thing. That's kind of the way that I thought of it.
I like it that they are trying new things. Even if they're scared and intimidated by it, they're still trying it. And I think that's just this is a wonderful environment to give them that opportunity.
If I want, I can take a picture. Watch out for your downdraft.
We got to fly around.
And we're trying to make it through each other's courses.
Backwards. I'm gonna get one of these for my house. Yeah. Yeah.
Now forward. It's freaking out. Forward.
I know, but it's not. Okay, down. Forward.